Today I am sharing 10 powerful inspirational quotes that have lifted millions through dark times. These are not just words, they are fuel. Stick around till the end. If you are ready, hit like button right now and let's begin. Number 1. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Churchill said this during one of history's darkest times. It reminds us one loss does not define you. One win does not end the journey. What matters is getting back up. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Too many dreams die in the planning phase. Twain nails it. Action beats perfection. Start messy, start small, just start. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. Mandela spent 27 years in prison fighting for freedom and he won. Your impossible goal, it only feels that way right now. Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. No need for announcements, no validation required. The results will speak louder than any post or brag ever could. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Falling is not failure. Staying down is. Every rise makes you unbreakable. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Gretzky, the greatest hockey player ever, knew regret hurts more than rejection. Take the shot in love, in business, in life. Energy and persistence conquer all things. Franklin built lightning rod, founded cities, invented vehicles, all through relentless energy. Your persistence today builds tomorrow's win. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Growth hides outside what feels safe. Step out, the view is worth it. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Simple, powerful, no matter how many times life knocks you down, stand once more. The time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Plant your dream today. Water it with action. These 10 quotes are not magic. They are reminders of what's already inside you. Which one hit you the hardest? Drop in the comments below. I read every single one and love hearing your stories. If this gave you even a spark of motivation, smash that like button. It helps spread this energy to more people who need it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next dose of inspiration.